Hello, everybody. So, this is your second part of what you need to do after you go into the ctecreditmn.com website. Again, this website houses the articulated credit, which basically means the credit that you receive from business communications, business information applications, and business and global economy. So, after you've gone in there and you have said that you've taken the classes with me, then I go in there and I say if you're successful. Okay, so you'll see here it says successful. So now after you do that, you need to download these credits. You need to actually print them out or you need to send them by email to your school. Okay, so you're going to click download articulated credits and it's going to, or you're going to do a PDF. So now it's downloaded on your system and it's going to, once you find the download, it's going to look like this. Okay, it's going to explain what it is, and then it shows the actual credits here. So this is, again, what you need to print out. So I need you guys to send me a copy of this PDF file so I can send it over to St. Paul College too, okay? So just email me with this download, and again, we take care of sending it over for you to St. Paul College, okay? But for the rest of you, if you're going to a different school or whatever you're doing, bring this with you so that you can get some credit. Okay, let me know of any questions.